The EV3 brick takes 6 AA batteries. You just open up the back cover to expose the battery compartment, and the batteries go in just as you'd expect. The educational version of the kit comes with a rechargeable battery pack, which is much more convenient to use. Replacing the batteries with the battery pack is very straightforward. Just remove the back cover from the EV3. And if you've already put any regular batteries in there, you'll have to take them out. And then you just replace it with the battery pack. It just clicks in. The battery pack actually serves as both the batteries and the back cover for the EV3 brick. Before using the EV3 for the first time, you'll have to charge up the battery pack. You should leave the battery pack connected to your EV3 and just plug the power cable right in. Of course, most of the time, your EV3 brick is going to be plugged into a robot. But as long as you can access the power socket, you can charge it without having to take it apart. It takes around 3 to 4 hours to fully charge a completely drained battery pack. When you plug in your EV3, a red charging light will turn on. You'll know the battery is fully charged when that red light goes out. If it's your first time using your battery pack, or if the battery's completely drained, LEGO recommends that you charge for a minimum of 20 minutes before trying to use the EV3. Some rechargeable batteries require you to fully drain them before recharging them, and then fully charge them before using them again. But you don't have to worry about that with this LEGO battery. You also can't overcharge the battery by leaving it plugged in after the green light is on, though LEGO Tech Support recommends that you unplug the EV3 when it's fully charged. Among other things, they suggest that a power surge might damage your EV3. Personally, I don't think anything of leaving mine to charge overnight plugged into a socket with surge protection, but I wouldn't recommend leaving it plugged in for days and days.